Hello friends, in this video we are going to be discuss about how to verify the element color in framework level. This is the part 2 video. What is the part 1? Before go through this verify the element color, you should go through the part 1, which is how to get element color in Selenium. From this part 1 only we are going to be checking this verify element color. Okay. So the part 1 already we get this background color and border color and text color. So now we are get all the element color or CSS value. From this one, how we can verify this color exactly present or not, how we can check in framework level. This is what I'm going to be tell you now. So open the application, which is anthra.com. So this button and this button, this is the in check your refund background color we are going to be check, which is we are going to be verify. Then one way, this is the button we are going to be verify border color and this font color. Got it? So now I'm going to be create three different method. Let's see. Public, static, string, get background, or else you can put BG short form. BG color. Okay. Here I'm going to be passed two parameters, string title and string key. Okay. So here what I have to do, I'm going to be return the, or else now I just remove it. I'm going to be create hash map concept. Key also string, value also string. Hm equal to new hash map, this one. Now with the help of hash map, I'm going to be store this border color, that color value store as a key and value format. Okay. So this is the output. So this is the background color RGB value. This is the border color RGB value. This is the text color RGBA value. Got it? Now I'm going to be put one condition if string title equals RGB verify hp dot put blue color, because this button background color is blue. This is the blue color RGB value only we are going to be verify whether the exact color value has been present or not. We are going to be verify in framework level. Got it? So here I have to add key as a blue. For that value I'm going to be put this value, because this is the actual one. The actual one we are going to be meet that expected one. Sorry, this is the expected one. This expected one going to be meet the output or not, we are going to be check. Okay, fine. So that else part, else if I'm going to be put another one condition, string title dot equals hexadecimal code verify. The same way I'm going to be add hexadecimal value for that blue color. So for this RGB color, what is the hexadecimal code value? I'm going to be check now. So go to applications, color picker. This site will help you for getting exact hexadecimal value and RGB value. I'm going to be give that RGB value. With the help of this RGB value, I'm going to be get this hexadecimal value. Okay. I'm going to be store here. So now finally I'm going to be return hm.get string key. Okay, got it. So now I'm going to be explain once again. So why I'm given two condition RGB verify and hexadecimal verify. Why means, so the RGB verify. So when I execute this program, okay, the runtime, this background color CSS value return RGB value. But go to this application, press F12. Here, inspect this button. Come down. See this background color in backend level in CSS value updated as a hexadecimal value. This is the visible one. But when you are running this program after storing this background attribute, it will be written RGB value, not for hexadecimal value. Got it? See, under background attribute, you can find hexadecimal value. But this hexadecimal value not returned. What value it will be print? It will be print RGB value, right? If in case, if you are working any other project in your the real time project, so you can take an example whether Amazon or Flipkart, if you are going to be practice any other applications, or in your company side project also, if it is written hexadecimal value, in that case you should store like a hexadecimal value. For this blue color, this is the RGB value under RGB verification. And for that hexadecimal code verify, you should store for blue color hexadecimal value. Got it? So that reason I just gave two condition, which is RGB verification and hexadecimal verifications. For my program, for this anthro dot applications, it will be written RGB value, but I can see in here hexadecimal code value only. But when I execute that program, the actual value going to be written RGB value. With the help of RGB value only, I can able to verify those blue color the CSS value, right? So that reason I stored RGB and hexadecimal code value. For the hexadecimal code verify value, I'm going to be tell you, if in case if you are getting hexadecimal code, you should store like this two condition. Okay, based on your output, you can verify which condition you want. Okay, so the same way I'm going to be create another two method. I just copy. So here the second one I'm going to be changes border color. Okay, here I'm going to be changes font color. Got it? So here what is the border color RGB value? This one. So here I'm going to be copy. This one way button border color is red, right? So now what I have to do, under border color I'm going to be changes red key. For this red color, what is the RGB value? This one, right? This is the expected one I have to store here. Let's see this same expected going to be match in actual or not. I'm going to be check. Let's see. Then I'm going to be inspect this one way button. Let's see what is the border color. This is the hexadecimal value, right? Go to the color picker. I'm going to be check what is the hexadecimal code value I'm getting. This is the one. The same value only I have seen here. Both are matched. Then I'm going to be store here hexadecimal value for the red color, right? The same value only we are going to be check font color also. Because for this button border color and the text color both are same. right? So that reason for this last two method, which is border color and font color, both are I put as same, which is red color one. Got it? So now what I have to do, I'm going to be check the condition whether actual and expected one should be match or not. This is the verification condition we should meet in framework level when you are working in company project. Got it? So now I'm going to be check the background color. Okay. So you can check what is the background color it will be print. This is the RGB value. With this RGB value, we are getting the strings also, right? So I want this RGB value alone. In that case, I should split this condition. Okay. So string split value bg color dot split none. So I'm splitting this string with the help of none word. So after split this word, this is the part array 0, this is the part array 1. Got it? String bg color RGB split value 0. Oh, sorry. Got it? So now if condition bg color RGB dot equals, so this is the actual one. Okay, I just actual value equals, what I have to do, get background color, or else I have to store in the separate string. It will be get string expected background color RGB. So the what we are going to be validate RGB verify, right? Open this method, copy this condition, which is string title. So put us blue color, sorry, RGB verify. What is the color we are going to be written? Blue color. So this is the expected one. I'm going to be pass inside. Sorry. Got it? So here actual and expected EG color is matched. Got it? Else not matched. So this is the true condition. This is the false condition. Got it? So the same way, what I have to do, I have to check the border color condition and the text color condition. Okay. So the first background color only we are getting this lengthy string. So that reason we are implemented the split concept. The second and the third we are getting the exact RGB value alone. In that case, we have to directly check the condition alone without split. So now what I have to do, put if condition. Okay, so before I am going to be actual. Okay, I have to put this is the actual border color. Expected border color. So get border color. So what is the title? RGB verify. What is the color we are going to be check? Blue. This is the title. This is the what is the key? Okay. So now I'm going to be check the condition if actual border color dot equals expected border color. The same thing. I'm going to be put syswo. Sorry. Actual expected border color matched. Okay. Else false. Border color is not matched. Okay. The next one is the final one, which is text color. The same thing. I'm going to be copy. I'm going to be paste over here. But I'm going to be change this value actual text color. Expected text color. So the method name is get font color. Here font. Okay. So here is red. I'm going to be command this one. This one also I'm going to command. This one also I'm going to be command. So now I'm going to be execute this program. What I done, I just explain once again. So here the first one I'm going to be take the CSS value of the property one, which is I'm going to be check background color. So the first background color, which is this is the length string I'm getting output. So here I want RGB value alone. So that reason I'm going to be split with the help of none string. So after split this length string, the zeroth condition only, I'm going to be get actual background color, right? This value stored under the index number 0, right? So then I'm going to be check this actual output and the expected input has been matched or not. This expected one where we are going to be written from this method. So in this method I'm going to be stored as a key and value format with the help of hash map. So this is the key, this is the value. If you are passing blue color, this blue color going to be written this RGB value code. Okay, because my program going to be in output written as a RGB1. So that reason I'm going to be check condition under the RGB verify. If in case if you are getting hexadecimal code, that time you will be check this condition. Okay, you can change the string title as a hexadecimal. Okay, so now for my program I'm going to be check all the element color verification is RGB value only. Okay, so then the second one is border color. The same way the border color I'm going to be get, this is the actual one that expected I'm going to be get from the get border color method, which is I have to store. This is the expected one. I'm going to be check whether the actual and expected both are matched or not. The similar way I have to done this font color also, which is text color. Got it? Now I'm going to be execute this program. Let's see what is the output we are getting. Okay, actual and expected BG color not matched. So, oh, surprise. Everything failed. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, here I have to put dream, not for here. This actual one, sorry. Before I did mistake. Dream actual going to be execute here. I'm going to be execute the program once again. You have to check sometime after done any split condition, the space or anything is available, it won't support. Okay, here see the text colors contain RGBA, right? So for that, what I have to do? RGBA verify. I'm going to be paste, sorry, under the font color. Oh, sorry. RGBA verify. That font color alone, which is text color alone, we are getting RGBA. Okay, so let's see what is the hexadecimal code. Here I'm going to be enter or else paste. See, this is the converted one. This is the hexadecimal code value. Okay, so with the help of this online site, we can check what is the exact hexadecimal code value and RGB value. Now I have to update it properly. Let's see. Now the program will execute. Fine. I'm going to be command it unwanted line text color this text color. Okay. I have to put the condition as RGBA, not for this one. Because for get for verification of font color, we have to get RGBA, the additional A font. Okay. Now see, everything's true. So like this way, you should match the color code combination in framework level. If you want to verify in framework level, what is the actual output, what is the expected input, we have to provide both are meet the condition or not. We have to check with the help of asset also we can able to check. So for those value we have to store under the hash map. For example, if you want to add any more value, for example, what we have to say, green, and here I'm going to be store any RGB something value. I just given some random. If you want to store any 12 colors or 24 colors, whatever color you want, light green, light blue, light yellow, okay, white color, okay, light black, so gray color. So which color you want based on your application, whatever color you want to store as a key and value format with the help of hash map. If you want to verify RGB, then you can store as a RGB value. If you get hexadecimal code, in that case you have to check in that online site. Okay, that so many sites are available. I just provide you that URL in this video description. You have to take that URL also. With the help of URL, you have to check what is the exact hexadecimal code value, RGB value for that color. So you have to check in your application also the both value has been matched or not. Okay, if you want to verify the hexadecimal, you can check this hexadecimal. If you want to check RGB, you can put RGB. Okay, so that reason in my code I have to put two conditions. So based on your scenario, you have to check which one you want. Okay, so this is the way you can able to check this verifications point of view, the color validation, guys. So I hope you are understand this concept. So try to implement the same thing in your framework level. Okay.